Are you in need of top-notch corporate weld testing? We'll look no further. Introducing Elite Welding Academy's Corporate Weld Testing Division. At Elite Welding Academy, we pride ourselves on providing superior weld testing services to businesses like yours. Our mission? To ensure the highest standards of quality and safety in your welding operations. We understand that time is of the essence in the corporate world. That's why our turnaround time is lightning fast, allowing you to keep your projects on track and meet your deadlines. Our team of experienced and certified weld inspectors work efficiently, utilizing cutting-edge technology to deliver accurate and reliable results in record time. But that's not all. We believe in making our services accessible to businesses of all sizes. That's why we offer competitive and affordable pricing options, tailored to meet your budgetary needs. With Elite Welding Academy, you don't have to compromise on quality or affordability. We provide exceptional value without cutting corners. Join the growing list of satisfied clients who trust Elite Welding Academy for their corporate weld testing needs. Experience the difference that expertise, efficiency, and affordability can make for your business. Don't wait. Contact Elite Welding Academy's Corporate Weld Testing Division today for a free consultation. Visit www.eliteweldingacademy.com to learn more. Elite Welding Academy's Corporate Weld Test Division, your partner in weld excellence.